Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have a new wholesaler, Wholesale Ninjas. And so we have a general merchandise box. We're going to open up and see what's inside. All right, so let me give you the specifications on this particular box. It has 165 items in it. It's from Wholesale Ninjas, a new liquidator that I'm trying out. General merchandise case. It's a case of toys, Barbies, Star Wars, etc. Shelf pulls. So my anticipation with the word shelf pulls is hoping that I can send everything to Amazon or be close to a condition that I can send to Amazon or list on eBay. So I'm hoping that's the case. I paid $573 for it. And so 165, let's go ahead and get in here and see what all we got. This box is ridiculously heavy. Just so you know, this case cost me $30 flat rate fee to get it shipped to me. So that $573 includes the $30. And so I paid a little bit less for it, but after tax and everything and the $30 shipping, that's how much it costs. And so if you buy a case like this, that's going to be your standard shipping price. So, looks like it's been padded well. Oh, it's packed to the brim, and I already love the condition. All right, so we've got some pet wipes. Lots of those. Brand new condition. I can send these right to Amazon if they're on the Amazon platform. Check out my second video. I'm definitely going to do a listing video because I have a feeling most of this is going to get to go to Amazon. I've got some jewelry, which if it doesn't go to Amazon will be perfect for my Poshmark store to add some kind of unique things on my Poshmark store. Cool. So here's the Star Wars they were saying. Look at that. It's playing cards. Oh, and cool. A case. Stormtrooper helmet container. All right, so far I'm loving this box. There's another Star Wars. Who's that? This is Kira Corellia. Sure. Here, I'll get a close-up. Somebody will know. That one, yes. All right, here's some neck gators. They're basically like little manly turtlenecks. That's what they are. Just for hunting. For hunting, yeah. It's perfect time of the year. Deer see ya. Yes. Sponges. But everything is brand new thus far. Little trays. Look at those. Those are cute. 4 little serving trays. Originally $3.99. Oh, these are from CVS. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've not gotten anything from CVS before. I wonder if this is all from CVS. I don't know. Mission Vapor Active performance shirt. There's a green one. I've got a black one and another green one. These usually sell for pretty good. So, and like I said, watch that second video. We're going to list everything and see how much they sell for. This is all day 18-hour comfort. Doctor recommended Super Feet. I need those. You need these? Okay, we're going to keep them for a call. No. All right, some little baskets that were $1, so probably not worth a lot, but I'll probably keep them. Here's some more jewelry. The bracelets? Yes, some gold, kind of rose gold colored bracelets. Solid gold. Look at that big chunky one. Sterling silver and solid gold. Sterling silver and solid gold. Some more baskets. What is this? 5-piece container set. Okay. Originally, $2. What is this thing? Yasmin? Hold on. Dropping stuff here. That is a doll, friend. There you go. Huge brat. That's a huge brat. She is such a brat. Your very own Bratz BFF. If you don't have friends, you can buy friends. You can buy friends. That's actually a good one. All right. These fell. Napkins, microfiber cloths, gobbles, stick them, squish them, stretch them, so sticky, not messy. I don't believe that. Well, okay, listen. They said they're sticky and not messy, but look at the back. Why are they having to wash them off then if they're not sticky or messy? Riddle me this. Anyway, all right. Sorry. Oh, little dinner plates. You can have a little tea party. All right, here's some American flag socks. Lots of different kinds. Another one. fun little. These new socks are kind of all the rage because you wear them with those short little shoes. Here's a Star Wars action figure.
Rogue One.
Grow. Here's another container set. Oops. This. Just a little plastic, or the little cardboard. More napkins, more sponges. Minecraft figurine.
Hey, it's a
Rogue One.
That's a villager.
That's what they say. It's villager talk for.
That a lot. Children love Minecraft.
Yeah. When they're not playing Minecraft, they're watching someone else play Minecraft. I don't get it.
That's right.
It's almost like people watching unboxings. Those people are so weird. All right, square bowls. Ooh, Lucky brand.
Hey, shoes maybe?
Yeah. They're brand new.
There we go.
Lucky brand shoes. Those are cute.
If they don't sell on Amazon.
Poshmark, yeah. If they don't sell on Amazon, they'll be on our Poshmark store.
Poshmark.
Which I've got a lot of new stuff on Poshmark, so check that out. This actually came out of a Macy's box, this shirt I'm wearing, and
Doesn't she look awesome?
I stole it from my own self, and now I'm wearing it.
Look how beautiful that one is.
Oh, thanks. What are these? Prep and maintain tan applicator mitt. Oh, achieve a flaw golden tan by using this to apply tanning stuff. Bunch of them. Sometimes the health and beauty stuff is worth a lot. What's this? Inflatable bowling set. Now I just want to play with this. I should start doing that, picking one thing out of my boxes to play with on camera. Oh, here's another Star Wars playing card set with Darth Vader.
Cool.
Another Star Wars Rogue One. These toys will sell really fast, and I'll be able to list them pretty fast. Some straws. What are these? Oh, little slime things. Different kinds of slime. Perfect stocking stuffers. Barbie. Emoji American socks. What is... Okay, hold on. There's some clothes in here. Ladies polo.
$4.99.
Here's another one. Here's a 2XL jerseys. That's a ladies too.
$4.99.
Wonder what the original price was. Can you tell us, Paul?
$4.99.
$4.99. Here's a gray one. Oh, here's one that says USA on it.
That one is $6.99.
It's a t-shirt, not a polo.
They charge you $2 more
For the decal.
patriotic.
For being patriotic. $2
You
more
love
dollars.
America, $2 more.
$2 more dollars from you because you love America. All right. Flying disc dog toys. We got quite the table, but I love the condition. It's awesome. This is going to be so easy to resell. Drink markers? Oh, you put them on the top of straws so you know whose is whose. Okay. Or on the top of the cup. All right, let's see. S'mores maker. Got that one and this one. This just screams, I'm going to burn the house down. I mean, I love the condition of the box and stuff, but this just screams, give this to your child and they're going to burn your house down. Contains 1 can of s'mores, heat. Enjoy indoors or outdoors. That is not a good idea. All right. Watches. Ooh, these are nice. Same kind of watch, which is going to make it easier to list. I think this is Kool-Aid. Make your own Kool-Aid edible slime. Gross. Somebody's going to buy it, though.
Somebody likes that.
What do you think, Paul? Best condition box I think we've ever opened.
Very good.
Really good condition. I love the
question
condition.
Is, can you make
Can we make
$574?
$574 on it? Well, I'm hopeful with the Bratz doll and all the Star Wars stuff. What about this one? This is a Wi-Fi scale. So this might be worth something.
It can weigh you when you're not even on the scale.
Right. It doesn't. While you're sitting in your
Wi-Fi
recliner.
scale.
Yes. While you're sitting in your recliner.
Alarms go off on your phone when you're getting too fat.
Yes, that's what happens.
Alexa tells you you're fat.
You're fat. You're fat.
fat.
It wirelessly weighs you from your recliner.
I don't know that one.
Oh.
Yeah. Alexa, am I fat?
It doesn't really matter. As long as you are healthy and happy.
It says, he asked that question. It says, it doesn't really matter as long as you were happy and healthy.
It does matter, Alexa.
It does matter.
Alexa, you're a liar.
I don't lie. Just tell me what I know.
Would you stop arguing with Alexa so we can continue this? All right. All right. Here's some air fresheners. Some sunglasses. Max Block. Well, they were originally $20.
There you go.
Foster Grant. Let's see. We've got Play Sand where you can make your own molds. Those are cool. I love, love, love the condition of these things. Here's some more hunting stuff. Real Tree base layer top. Let's see what else we got. We got some more of these Vapor Active. I'm hoping these are worth a lot because I've got a lot of them in here. And if these are worth anything, then we're definitely golden on this box. So make sure you check out that second video where we actually break it down and see how much everything is worth. GC silicone straw. Here's another Star Wars card deck. Deck of cards. Card deck. Deck of cards. All right, here.
Suit?
This is
Oh, it's a
Pajama Sets.
Pajama Sets.
PJs in various sizes. I'm going to put those back here. I'm running out of room. All right, let's see. We've got water bombs.
Bombs.
They're called
Voodoo.
Poodoo because they have poo emojis on them.
Right.
Classy, classy. Glade air fresheners. These are the ones that go in the little spray things. I actually have those in my house. They're nice. Ooh, look at these. Fashion glasses. Am I fashionable?
Bam.
Bling.
I'd give you an entire dollar at the dollar.
Would you give me an entire dollar for those? Not $6 for the bling?
buddy.
Maybe. All right. Another silicone. I'm curious. Watch the second video. We're going to find out, are these even worth anything? Or should we scan them at the end of this video? We're going to scan these at the end of this video, and then we'll see what everything else is worth. Okay? Because I'm curious if those little silicone straws are worth anything. Bunch of cups. Green and purple ones. Some heart-shaped molds. It is the never-ending box. Lots more jewelry. Wow. Star Wars, that's a figurine we haven't seen yet. Director Krennic. What's in here? What is this? Ooh, look at that purse.
Hey. It's $1,000 handbag.
$1,000 handbag.
Tiffany and Company.
Right? Okay.
Diamond studded.
Diamond studded $1,000 handbag from Rodeo Drive. That's what it is. Here's some more of those Vapor Active shirts. Almost there. It is like the never-ending box. No wonder it was so heavy.
Mary Poppins box.
The Mary Poppins box. Congratulations, grads. It does not have a date on it,
Very
which is
important.
actually good. Bunch of these. So they can be used for any year. Mega Grow Starfish. Let's see. Mega Grow Alligator. Some more sunglasses. Some more graduation jobbers. This is a shelf liner, grippy shelf liner. Some bowl covers, elastic bowl covers. And last but not least, a basketball hoop for your door.
It's a laundry hamper.
It is a laundry hamper. That's awesome.
Only way to get your kids to pick up their floor.
I need to put this in my kids' room.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. All right. So look at this glorious table of basically all brand new condition. So I'm really excited about that because it's all going to be easily to be reselled. I don't think there's anything that's going to be trash. There may be a few things that are low dollar amounts that will probably just get donated to the local donation bin just because they're in great condition, or they'll be added to my mystery toy box that I do for boys and girls, just simply because the fees will be too high. But again, this is a case from Wholesale Ninjas. Cost me $30 to ship it. And so it was really heavy. I don't know how they got it here for 30, but general merchandise, toys, Barbie, Star Wars, which we saw a lot of, and of course this huge Bratz doll. Shelf pulls, 165 items, paid $573.47. So check out my second video. I'm going to go ahead and list everything, find out how much do I really make on this case, but I love the condition of the shelf pulls from Wholesale Ninjas. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.